Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Roblox body. First, open Roblox Studio and select the New Project option to start with a fresh workspace. Navigate to the Home tab to access essential building tools like Part and Move. Getting comfortable with the interface early on will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. This initial setup is crucial for your creative journey. Now, let's create the fundamental shapes for your body. From the Model tab, click Part to add a basic block to your workspace. You can then change its shape to a sphere or cylinder as needed. Duplicate these initial parts to easily create symmetrical body sections, ensuring a balanced design. Remember to rename each piece, perhaps calling it left leg or head for better organization. Next, we will focus on refining the size and placement of your body parts. Select a part, then use the scale tool to lengthen or widen it, giving it your desired proportions. Carefully move each piece into its correct position using the Move tool, ensuring they align naturally. Finally, adjust their orientation with the Rotate tool for a more dynamic and realistic pose. It is time to assemble your body by connecting all the individual pieces. Select two parts you want to join, then click the Weld tool under the Model tab to permanently fuse them. For articulated limbs that require movement, explore using motor 6D joints instead of simple welds. Carefully check all connections to ensure your body remains a cohesive, single unit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.